G'day guys, it's after Christmas and we're heading to Knox, Westfield, which is a shopping center near my place. I look sleepy. I slept I slept late last night, but the thing is I woke up around 6 a.m. and went back to sleep again. So days prior, I was like hating it because I usually wake up so late. Like I wake up 12 noon and I am not able to do anything at all the stuff that I need to do, like on shits and everything. But recently I've tried to reprogram my head to wake up at 7, and now I'm able to wake up at 6, so I'm happy with that. The problem is I'm not sleeping early at night. So what it equates is that I don't sleep at night, but my body remembers to wake up at around 7 and then 6, and I'm not having enough time of sleep, so my body pushes it, like it wakes me up at 6 or 7 and then gets me sleepy, and I go to sleep again around 7:30 or 8, and I get up around 11. So it's almost the same as before, but my body wakes me up at a certain time. So what I can say is that it's possible to reprogram your head to do what you want, like whatever anything is possible. The only thing is that you have to make sure that you have to like create arrangements with how you want things. Like if I want to wake up early and I want to get up early, I need to sleep early, but I don't sleep early. That's my problem. And anyway, a lot of blabber for today, but it's a good day. It's cloudy. Also, I just sold my drone yesterday, and I'm able to pay Bryce soon. The thing is, I tried to sell my drone one time, and then this guy came over, and he looks fine, but he looks dirty and dodgy, and he said he's gonna do a transfer for me. That was way back, a transfer for me, and he did a dodgy transfer. Like he said a transfer within 24 hours, and he only had $95 in his account. So like, a good thing I cashed that, because if I was, I'm a good guy. I wanna, sometimes I just want to help guys out who want to buy my stuff. So I was about to give him my drone, and I realized like, oh, this is bullshit. No, we're not. I closed the boot of my car. Good thing the guy was not aggressive, or if I tried to close it, he opened it. There were 3 of them. No, there were two, or I think there were 2 guys in the car, or 3, I don't know. And there's that guy also want to buy my drone. So if they ganged up on me, I would have been pissing my pants or whatever, or I get banged. But the guy was like, okay, never mind him. He walked away. So he was dodgy. He was trying to trick me, but the thing is, he's not aggressive. He's a big guy though. That was scary. That's a store time for me. Anyway, I need to go to Knox right now, so let's go. Pretty busy time at the shops now. Yep. Trying to get something to eat. I'm hungry right now. Laura's still having her consultation or her sessions up there. So so I'm trying to go to Bread Top to get some bread. Came here in yesterday, but didn't have any of the bread I like. So let's check it from outside here. Yep. I want that burger over there. I don't know if I'm gonna get it now. I'll see. So we're getting this, my favorite soft bread. Okay, the Knox thing. We just got some cake. Like we just got some scroll, or like it's like a chiffon cake with a roll. It's called scroll, but anyway, we got the ubi one. I'm sort of liking the ubi one. Ubi, that sounds cringy, but anyway, so I was already at home, and I was trying to edit, and the thing is, I was trying to finish what I need to finish, all the work that I need to finish, and suddenly my ADHD thing, like I'm so like procrastinating, and I don't like it. So with Laura, I decided to come here to the office and just pick up some supplies for her work. I excitedly raised my hand to drive, because the thing is, I'm procrastinating, and that's my main problem. Sometimes I'm stuck in this thing that I can't focus. I want to get it done, but I can't. I'm just staring at it. I'm just trying to do the job or trying to do whatever I need to do, like clean the house, whatever. And I stare at it, and I can't do anything. I really hate my hair now. That's another topic. But anyway, yeah. So I'm here. I'll be heading home in a few. So today's just a normal day. I was supposed to go out and send some stuff. I was supposed to drop some the carbon fiber sticker that I was supposed to send to Bryce, because he's gonna use it for his prosthetics, and also pay him for the drone, because my drone just got sold yesterday. And also I need to drop off some extra accessories to that guy who bought my drone. But at the moment I'm just out of it. I've been making my favorite smoothie, that I followed from Boost. We have the mango nectar. We put on frozen mangoes onto it. We put yogurt with some passion fruit on it. So it's really good. It's really good. I'm talking nonsense and going there and never ever, you know what I do. Anyway, I need to like relax a bit and see how we go. I might end the vlog here, I reckon. Just want to say, have a good day. Nothing new for today, guys. I'm sorry. Eventually, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna keep on putting some more content for this vlog, and I'm gonna say, this is the end of the vlog, and I'm still gonna put a lot of content, because I don't want to end the vlog abruptly, but the thing is also I want to end it properly. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna add information. It's showing my tits. Anyway, I have this for my Osmo Pocket 3. I have all the ND filters. I got a whole set from Freewell. It's a big set. It's a lot of them. But I always end up using one, and I left the others at home. If it had a small pack or like a small case, and I would have brought everything. But it's a lot. It's a lot of them. I won't be able to use each one of them. But anyway, I use this ND filter, and if I'm going to put it in there, you can see a bit of blur, and you can see a bit of, I don't know, just definition, because it's not too bright, so it looks good. So yeah, also, what else did I need to say? I don't know, I can't think at the moment. Oh yeah, just came to my mind. I also ordered a Ulanzi 35mm attachment for this one. Usually you have a wide lens for this, which is this one here, and it's gonna look like that, but it's not, because it has magnet onto it. It's not gonna go through. There's already an attachment. And I also, the 35mm is gonna look good. This is a 24mm, I reckon, and if you put this in, it's gonna be like 16, 18, I don't know. Let me just try to check. 0.75, it becomes 15mm, so that's very wide. So